Hello, good day everyone. My name is Roberto Carrillo. This is our week 4 interactive assignment for our introduction to project management. I will be giving you a presentation for our cool widget Microsoft implementation. Hello everybody. Thank you for coming to our presentation. Today we'll be going over our current status on our cool widget Microsoft implementation. The reporting period is from March 28, 2018 to April 4th, 2018. Our overall status is green, which I'm proud to say we're doing very well. We started this project on December 12th, 2017, and we're currently on our 4th month. We also have a status report that is available for your review upon your request. Please hold all questions to the end. Here we have specific elements that pretty much led us to be on track from the beginning of the project. In the beginning, all the executives, the sponsors, the champion, and myself met. We went over what was expected of this project and the results that were expected at the completion. From that, we did some planning. We created a budget and we allocated it so far efficiently. The time allotted, we went ahead and front loaded it to account for possible delays in travel arrangements and training evolutions that may happen later on. So far, the timing looks good. We don't foresee any travel problems or restrictions in the future, but we have allotted for that time just in case. Our teams and team leaders have been delegated their responsibilities. They've been working very well with each other. They're communicating very well. Everything is moving smoothly. The project charter, project management plan, scope statement, WBS, and our dictionary all have been completed. You have seen it in the previous status reports, and they have been published with minor changes. Our training goals have been clearly outlined and are in line with what our sponsors want for the employees. This was an important goal to reach. From this, we went ahead and created our training materials. And we went ahead and did both digital and paper hard copies. Also some takeaway material for our students upon completion of the class. So far, we have scheduled all the venues, and our actual training schedule has been completed. We're working on a few more things to get to our next milestone, which I'll go over on the next slide. So far up to date, we've completed 2 milestones. Obviously, we initiated the project, started on time with no issues, and then our second milestone we completed was on January 22nd. We completed training materials. Training materials that we developed, created, are ready for issue, and again, we did both digital and hard copy, and we still managed to stay within budget. Future milestones that we have coming up very soon. We have on April 25th, we will have the completed training plan. This will go over when we're offering the classes and for how many students and the locations. This is close to being completed by the target date. We're currently closing in on completing our New York trainer and catering selection tasks. Once that's completed, we'll go ahead and complete that milestone and then move on to the next ones, which is completing the travel schedule on May 23rd, and then obviously on September 28th, we're scheduled to close the project pending any unforeseen incidents. Here is our WBS. It's been updated. You can use this for reference if needed. You can tell which tasks have been completed by the blue check mark located in the first column. And here's our updated Gantt chart. Again, you can reference the blue check marks on the first column, which will identify the tasks that we've completed up to date. Right now, we're working on Cool Widget 8.05, and that will lead us to complete our next milestone by the 25th of April. Once that's completed, we can move on to our training delivery. So far, that's what we have complete up to date. If you guys have any other questions or comments, feel free to ask away. Thank you.